How to add a filter in PhotoRoom. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using PhotoRoom and want to give your photo a different look, first of all open the PhotoRoom application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the home page after logging in, go to the editing option at the top of the screen, and now you'll see this Photo Editing Classics option. Just expand that and choose one of the filters. After selecting the filter, select the photo you want to use in that filter. Wait for a few seconds and then it will give your photo a new look depending upon the filter type you've used. You can go ahead and use other filters as well, such as color splash, low key, high key, sepia, etc. And that's how you easily do it. It is super easy to add a filter in PhotoRoom. You can now go ahead and export your photo or further edit it according to your preference. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.